We're doing an easy upgrade on the Tuareg 660. We're replacing the OEM air filter with a high-performance Uni-Filter. This is a washable, reusable foam filter that promises better perimeter sealing than the stock filter with better particulate filtration. The improved sealing versus OEM is a must-have for Tuaregs that will see dusty, dry environments. It comes pre-oiled and ready to use. Start by removing the seat. To gain access to the air filter, the plastic tank cover needs to be removed. There's a total of 7 screws holding the plastic tank cover in place. Remove the screws that are located directly under the seat area. Then remove the other 2 screws located at the front of the tank. Take the fuel cap off and place a small rag in the exposed hole so nothing can get in. Then remove the 3 screws located under the fuel cap. Set the screws and plastic aside. Once the plastic cover is removed, loosen the 4 Phillips head screws that hold the airbox lid in place. You can leave some screws in place since they are difficult to access. If you left the rear screws in place, be gentle removing the airbox cover so they don't fall out. Carefully remove the baffle and air filter. Try to avoid letting debris fall into the airbox. If the inside of the airbox is dusty or dirty, clean it out. Apply a thin layer of all-purpose grease where the air filter will be seated. Be sure to spread the grease evenly around the edges. Place the new air filter in position and make sure it sits evenly to seal it properly. The OEM baffle that was removed is not needed for this installation. Double-check the air filter seal and put the airbox lid in its place. It helps to have the screws in the rear holes. Once again, use caution so the screws don't fall out. Tighten all 4 screws. Don't over-tighten them. Reinstall the plastic tank cover. Remove the rag and screw the fuel cap back on. Put the seat on and you're ready to ride. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.